In this video, I'll show you how to find liked posts on Facebook step by step. If you want to view posts you've previously liked, you can do it through your activity log. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the menu icon, then tap your profile picture to open your profile. Next, tap the three-dot menu below your profile and select Activity Log. In the Activity Log, tap Interactions, then choose Likes and Reactions. Here, you'll see a list of posts, photos, videos, and other content you've liked or reacted to on Facebook. Scroll through the list to find a specific post, or use the available filters to narrow the results by date or content type if those options are available. Tap on any item to open the original post, provided it hasn't been deleted or its privacy settings haven't changed. If you no longer want a like or reaction, simply open the post and remove it. Activity Log is the easiest way to review and manage your Facebook activity in one place. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.